What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Just P's Garage. I think if you follow me on Instagram, I think I had told y'all about me picking up this new camera and stuff, and so far the quality is great. It has this viewfinder on the side that I need to stop looking at while I'm filming. But yeah, this camera is great. I love the quality on it, and something that I do want to do for the new year is film more content and, you know, be more active on my channel and post videos just for memories, and, you know, if there's anything that I can, you know, film to help you guys out with, you know, your builds, or, you know, working on cars in general and stuff. I want to be able to offer that for you guys. So yeah, I just pulled up to the homie's house, and we're going to be pulling a motor on a 92 Integra today, and transferring all the parts off that motor onto a new motor, and putting it in. I mean, it's a bit gloomy today. It's raining. I don't know how much. We'll definitely get the motor out, probably within like an hour or so, and then we'll see where we're at when that time comes, and yeah, I'll update you guys once I'm inside. The bay, somewhat. That's art. I don't know. I got like the whiting ones on there.
You also have a yoke, but it's not a pot, is it? It's a rear motor. Ah. And no, this is not offensive plate, because as you may remember, Adrian.
You're gonna hook that.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
No good. See how fucking high that shit is?
Yeah, here, EP3, and
EP3.
That's not it was an EP3, so I hold them in high regard. So tell us more about the car. What's done to it? What's on it? What's in it?
Red labels only.
The sticker.
Yeah, the sticker is
Area.
yes, area.
Yeah.
It's a special for Honda.
Okay.
Yeah, and modified track.
Okay.
Civic Cup.
So it's a proper like
And
cup,
Integra?
cup Civic.
Yeah, Cup Civic. And we just put on the truck package.
What does it have? What does it do?
Suspension also changes.
It's spacey.
Cool, cool, cool. So lots of steering mods. And for the rest, engine stock?
Dirty.
ECU.
Crusty.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Well, I guess let's go.
Gotta give this shit the backyard special treatment. Paint the. It looks like the bottom was only painted. They painted probably with the shit on before. All taped up. Uriel did a good job. Huh? Oh, nothing. Just filming, fam. Shoo. Ew, filthy.
How to claim 0 miles on Facebook
On me. 0 miles rebuilt. Never ran.
Right?
Shit.
Watch your step.
I almost rolled my ankle.
Going crazy, going crazy.
That look good though. That good VHT. So back at home now. Finished pulling the swap out of that 92 Integra. But back home now, and I got a special package for a car that I don't have. Because I sold my yellow hatch about 4 months ago, 3 months ago, 4 months ago. Come the new year, I do have some potential cars that I'm looking at that I may consider getting. We don't know yet, or sorry, I don't know yet. But it could be another hatch, it could be another coupe, it could be another fit. It was between this wing and another wing, but the other wing was like triple the price. And I had pretty much negotiated the price down on the other wing, but by that time I had already bought this wing, so yeah. But I mean, this is a really nice wing also, and it's not something you see too often. The other wing that I was looking at, you definitely don't see too often, but yeah, let me show you guys. I unboxed it. It comes with some hardware, it looks like. These are the wing stands. There are some blemishes on the wing and whatnot, but nothing I'm too worried about. Yeah, you don't even see this part when the wing is on. You can see that little blemish right there. But yeah, these are the wing stands, sorry. And then bam. So I got me a Cusco GT wing. Has, yeah, it does have a little spider crack. I don't know if you guys can see. It has a little spider crack, but it's really not noticeable. Plus it's just the end plate. But yeah, so that's that. Here's the other side. This side's way better. It doesn't have any cracks or anything. Yeah, so I got me a Cusco GT wing for an EK hatch. Aluminum. It's pretty light, I would say. Has these brackets on here. I don't really want to put the brackets on, but we can try and put the. Which way does this even go? Like this? Come on, any day now. Cool. So this is what it looks like. Then obviously you have the stands that sit on the CTR base. But yeah, that's the Cusco GT one. Super stoked. I don't know if I'll ever get the opportunity to use it, but yeah, maybe we'll slap it on the S2K. Maybe. Just playing. But yeah, super happy with this purchase. And now I'm gonna sleep with it. Because, yeah,